Hey Rachel, do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Hey, Tom. Yes, actually, I'm going to wake up early and go to the gym in the morning.
That's great. I always say I'll go to the gym, but I never do.
It's hard sometimes. What about you? What are you doing tomorrow?
I have to go to work at 9 a.m. We have a big meeting with the team,
Oh, really? Sounds important. How long will it last?
maybe 2 or 3 hours. After that, I'll probably just catch up on some emails.
Sounds like a busy day. Are you doing anything fun after work?
I might go to the movies with my brother. There's a new action film out.
Nice. I love going to the movies. What's it called?
It's called Speed Chase. It's supposed to be full of car chases and cool stunts.
Sounds exciting. I think tomorrow I'll also do some grocery shopping in the afternoon.
Oh yeah? What do you need to buy?
Just the basics. Milk, bread, eggs, maybe some snacks too.
Snacks are always important. Are you cooking dinner tomorrow?
Yes, I'm planning to make pasta. It's quick and easy. You?
I'll probably just order something. I'm too tired to cook after work.
I get it. So, anything special for the weekend?
Not yet, but maybe I'll plan something after tomorrow's meeting. Want to hang out?
Sure, let's see how things go tomorrow and talk again in the evening.
Sounds good. Let's both have a great day tomorrow.
Yes, hope your meeting goes well, Tom.
Thanks, Rachel. Enjoy your workout and your pasta.